That's why you're making this video, and here is Societech. So for you to fix this, okay, when you dial *170, you see that it shows that service unavailable, and then you can't use your services for now. But now I'm going to show you how you can just fix this for you to be sending money right now on your phone. So for you to fix this, this is from MTN. They are telling us that we should go to Play Store or App Store, then download their MTN app. So when you download the MTN app, and then when you log in with the MTN app, you can make your transactions in and out. Okay, so there's the update coming in. And one thing is, when you download the app, and if it is your first time of logging into MTN app, they'll give you data. Okay, they'll give you some amount of data for downloading the app. I think like 50 megabytes or so. So just download the MTN app and then try to use. You see that it works very, very perfect. Okay, so just try that one and then use that one for transaction for now. But for *170, we don't know when it will come back. Okay, when it's come back, I'll give you update in the community tab. Okay, so see you again. Thanks for watching. Also subscribe, like the video for more updates from here. See you again. Bye. Also check on the screen for more videos from us.